One, two, one, two, three.
In this how-to, we are going to analyze the pipeline of a character creation. Starting from the concept, we will show the main steps to achieve a simple 3D animation, passing through modeling, texturing and rigging. In this particular case, we didn't build a concept from scratch, since we were inspired by Bam Bam, a funny character from the Flintstones cartoon. Let's start modeling our character, his body, face, clothes and accessories, just by manipulating polygonal meshes, through the use of extrusion, translation, rotation and scaling of vertices, edges and faces. The second step is to generate the UV maps of every part of our character by simply applying a planar projection from one of the coordinate axes, making the appropriate cuts and then unfolding the result. We can now use Photoshop or other image editing software to create all the textures and displacement maps, if needed, and assign to each object its material. Now it's time for our character armature to make him move in the scene. In Blender we can start by creating a new bone and then, in edit mode, we can extrude its end to generate the spine, left leg, arm and hand bones, giving each one of them the appropriate name and position. For the right part of the armature we just simply have to duplicate the left one, mirror it around the x-axis and parent each side with the root bone. To skin the character we just select the armature and the body mesh, pressing Ctrl and P, and then select the desired option. After rigging the body, we have to do the same for the face. In this face, we use a group of shape keys, each one corresponding to a particular facial expression, that we can create by modifying the position of vertices on our mesh. To control the shape keys, we have to add a bone for every part we want to control, and a control shape for each bone. The control shape around axis is then used to drive the amount of deformation produced by the selected key shape on the mesh. The translation and rotation values of each driver can be constrained to a specific range, and the influence on the key shape has to be adjusted accordingly to the driver minimum and maximum value.